Greetings and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to add a drop-down to Google Sheets. So if you want to add this, you just go to whatever cell you want to add the drop-down, go to data validation. Why that makes sense to anyone, I don't know. Pretty sure that's how Excel did it, so everyone else did it. But you can go in here, you can have all your items that you want already, and then you can just select the range of them. Or what for most people are going to do is type it in, so just go to list of items, and then whatever you want to do, this item, and then just separate them by commas, next item. And then when you're done, you can make sure that show dropdown list SL is checked. There's other things you can do, but if you just want a drop-down menu, just click Save, and now you have a drop-down menu to do that. Now, do realize there is no blank spot there, so you actually have to delete it out to get that gone. In theory, you could probably put a blank option into the data, so if you need to change, and this is a good example too, if you ever need to change anything or add more, just make sure to click on that cell, go to data validation, and then you can add stuff in there as well. So I could do space, comma, click save, and I might, nope. So again, you just have to delete it, no making a blank. That's it. Hope that was helpful.